Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make any oversized table fit automatically with a single click in Microsoft Word. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Word software. And now you can see I have one table which is almost oversized or which is not fitted properly. So most of the common people, what they used to do, they will just place the mouse cursor on this particular line and they'll just try to drag. So this is not a proper way. So you need to manually adjust, and this might make your text or words odd. So in order to make this oversized table fit automatically with just a single click, what you need to do is just click on any of the table box, and now on the above you will see one new option, layout. Just click on it. Now you will see here one option written autofit, right? Just click on it. Now here you will see two autofit options. First one is the autofit contents and second one is a autofit window. So you can use either the first one or the second one, whichever works for you. So here I'm gonna use this autofit window. So let me click on it. Voila, now you can see it automatically make my oversized table fit inside this respective page layout. It's not that easy, right? So by using this hidden option, you can easily make any oversized table fit automatically with a single click in Microsoft Word very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.